Good morning, dear students. Today we are starting with grammar, degrees of comparison. In degrees of comparison, we are more concerned about adjectives. Adjectives can change in forms to show comparison. Now, children, this is something that you have studied right in your 6th standard or 5th standard, that is positive, comparative, and superlative degree. But very basic things you have understood over there. As you grow up to go to 8th standard, 9th, and 10th standard, you are supposed to change it into sentences. Now we'll see in this grammar lesson how to change it in the sentences. Here they have given about example of tall, taller, and tallest. This is something very basic. Now children, there are other adjectives that can't be modified, and so we have to add certain types. We'll first move on to the bodyguard method to make it clear. Now children, this is called a bodyguard method, where if you are having the sentence as positive sentence, you have to add as, and in between your adjective will come. For example, as tall as big as. So this is known as the bodyguard method. With this, your positive sentence will never be a wrong sentence. It will always give you the correct answer. In the same way, if it is a comparative sentence, you have to keep in mind that your adjective, we will take the example again of tall. This tall will become taller. Or if the adjective cannot be modified, it will become, we'll take now tall can become taller, but famous can't become famouser. So we will take the example of famous over here. Your famous will become more famous than, so adjective will come here. And in superlative degree, if it can be modified, the adjective will become tallest, the tallest. If it can be modified, it will become the most famous. We will take example of famous, beautiful, wonderful. These are the adjectives that cannot be modified. So this will become the most famous. So hope you have understood this bodyguard type of method, where in positive sentence, as will protect the adjective. Sometimes this as will be replaced by so. Keep this thing in mind. Many a sentence, so tall as, so old as. And comparative degree, as I told you, taller than, the tallest. Famous, we have taken example. We will take now example of something else, that is wonderful. More wonderful than, the most wonderful. So this is known as the bodyguard method. Now children, see the first one, that is positive degree. As I told you, no animal is so fierce as. Now this is again bodyguard type, and your sentence is a positive sentence. No animal is so fierce as the tiger. See the next one. The tiger is fiercer than. Now er is added, followed with than. Again the same thing that I have taught you in this previous clip, that is if it is a comparative sentence, you have to add er and then than will come. See the third one, the tiger is the fiercest. est is added, the is added over here children. This article plays a very important role over here. The fiercest of all the animal. Now children, we have understood the first rule or the first thing over here, that is this one we have understood now till here. How to make a sentence positive, comparative and superlative in the sentence. This is known as transformation of sentence. Now we'll move on to the second rule. This is the second rule, that is we make use of keywords. Now you can call these words as keywords. No one, none. Now this you can use as a keyword for positive degree. If it is a comparative degree, all other or any other is a keyword. And the smartest, the boldest is the keyword for superlative degree. So keep these keywords in your mind, that is no other or none, any other or all other, and in superlative only simple thing will come, that is for example, we will take the example. See the example over here. Behram is the oldest teacher. The oldest is there in superlative degree. This plays a very important role if it is a superlative degree. Now children, we have done the first one, that is bodyguard method. We have done the second one, that are the keywords. Now we'll see it in the sentences. See the sentence on your screen. Behram is the oldest teacher. Since it is a superlative sentence, we'll have to make it comparative and positive. See children, if it is a comparative sentence, using our first method, Behram is older than any other teacher. We made use of the word any other. That is the keyword I explained you just now. Any other. Behram is older than any other teacher. Easy. We'll move on to the positive now. Here again we are making use of the keyword, that is no other. I showed you just now this one. No other teacher is as old as Behram. Understood? So we have done it from comparative, and we have from superlative to comparative, and now we have done it positive degree. Now there is a bit difference in this sentence, that is Behram is one of the oldest teacher. In our previous sentence, in this sentence that was superlative, it was again Behram is the oldest teacher, and now we are giving one of the oldest. One of we have added over here. This is again going to change now children. Our third rule we are going to learn now. Again making use of the keywords, second type keywords, that is very few or many other or most other, one of the best, anything might come. Second type keyword, first type keyword, second type keyword, in which very few will be used, many other, most other will be used, one of. Let's come to a very common and a clear teaching, that these all words are keywords. You can use them any form and you can make your own sentences that are correct. All are keyword, no need of getting confused. All of a sudden they will come as and when we keep the first thing in our mind, that we want this bodyguard type method. This will help you to choose the keywords and make a sentence that is correct. Without more confusion, we'll move on to the next example children. Now again, this is something new I told. Behram is one of. One of, when we make use of children, we'll have to change it to Behram is older than many other. Second type of keywords, many other or more other, most other they have given over here. So we are making use of many other teachers. In the next sentence, while making it positive, we are making use of very few keyword. Very few teachers are as old as Behram, as old as, making it positive sentence. Okay children, make use of this keyword. Keep the first and the foremost bodyguard type method in your mind, and it will be very easy for you all to solve degrees of comparison, which comes for more than 2 marks in your exam. Now children will see in what form these degrees of comparisons will be asked in your exam. Now question you could be asked in exams are multiple choice questions on gap filling, that is fill in the blanks, sentence completion, dialogue completion. They will assess you on these type of sentences. Sentence reordering, they might give you editing or omission, omitting some words or editing some words, sentence transformation. This is where this is having more chances in your exam, that is sentence formation. A very important thing you should keep in mind at this time is that note this what I am telling you now. You will be given one sentence and they will ask you in the bracket change the degree. As soon as you see this sentence change the degree, you keep in mind if it is given superlative degree, you have to make two sentences. One you have to make comparative sentence and the other one you will have to make a positive sentence. So children are always confused in this. One of the sentences given in positive form and they will give you change the degree, change it to comparative as well as superlative degree. Hope you have understood the topic. Now I'll give you the sentences to solve. You'll have to solve it in your English grammar notebook.